the screen you can see a Python file where I'm going to define a function display where I'm going to use n number of parameters. So if you want to use multiple parameters and you don't know how many parameters you want, then in that case you can use arbitrary arguments or arbitrary keyword arguments. So args along with asterisk, that is asterisk followed by args, or 2 times asterisk followed by kwargs you can use, or you can also use your user defined words in place of args and kwargs. So here when we use args, it is called arbitrary arguments, and a number of values you can pass to it to for the function to substitute in its body. So here if I print args, then all the arguments will be printed. So when we write asterisk args in parameter, it acts as a tuple in our Python code. And also you can use 2 times asterisk kwargs, which is nothing but keyword arguments, arbitrary keyword arguments. So if you want to use dictionary like values in your arguments, then you can use keyword args. So for that I'm printing here kwargs. So now when we call this function display, if I want multiple values for args, then I can give that. So I'm giving 3 names for it. You can give any values. I'm giving 3 names like Sam, Ram, and Priya. Let's take. So these 3 values will be substituted for args. So whenever we use args, arbitrary arguments, it will be acting as tuple in our Python code. When we use keyword arbitrary arguments or arbitrary keyword arguments, that is kwargs, then it acts like dictionary in the Python code. So when it is acting like dictionary, we need to pass in key value pairs the values. So I can pass it like name equal to, here I'm giving the name as Ramesh, and the other value I'm giving as course. So key value pairs I'm giving course and name like this. So this way we can pass values for kwargs. So dictionary like values you can pass. So when I execute this, I will be getting a tuple displayed and a dictionary displayed. Now separately, if you want to access, then you can access it using indexes. So if I give here arg of 0, then the first value only will be printed, that is Sam. Similarly with other values, arg of 1 if we give, it gives Ram and then Priya. Same with the dictionary. So when I execute now, I get the keys and values displayed separately.